all, my name is Kristen. Today we're going to be learning the basics of scrolls for quilling. So scrolls are just rolled just like the coils were, but we're just going to roll one side. So looking at these, you can probably kind of mentally already figure out how exactly we're going to do these. So an S scroll, you would grab one strip of your paper and you would roll the end this way, and then when you got towards the middle, you'd release that, and then you'd go to the other end and roll it this way. So what I'm going to demonstrate for you today is going to be the heart shape, because once you know how to do the heart, you kind of know how to do them all. Alright, so the heart shape, it's going to take a piece of paper, and first thing we're going to do is fold it in half, and this is just to kind of give us a reference point. Fold it in half. And now I want you guys to kind of predict what's going to happen next. We're going to take and we're going to roll it inward using our slotted tool. So I'm going to take and I'm going to put the end of my paper in my slit again. I'm going to roll it all the way to the crease. Okay, I'm going to let go of that. It's going to spin out of control. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Roll it all the way to the crease. Okay, now I know you're going, well, wait a minute, that doesn't look like much of a heart, does it? That's okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that crease and I'm going to just give it just a little bit of a pinch. And there you go. You have a heart scroll. So looking back at the other designs that we have, there's some that appear to be curlier than others, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. So say that you want to make a couple of really curly ones. I'm just going to use a shorter sheet of paper here. So I'm going to roll that up. I could stop right here and just kind of run my fingernail around the edge, and I would have a shape like this. Okay. Now the other thing I could do is roll it all the way to the end, and then I could uncurl it just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to uncurl this and then see what happens, see how it kind of curls back on itself. And this is how you get an extra curly scroll. And now I could also take my fingernail again and just kind of run it along here if I wanted to. And I get a scroll that's more like that. Okay, so scrolls are pretty easy. If you have any questions or comments, let me know and I'm happy to help. Otherwise, stay tuned and I'll have more topics for quilling coming your way.